dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Alright, my good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our great nation, Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come your screen with breaking news. The cocoa now be say, the Edo State government don dey express their concern over the unprecedented deficit of infrastructure for inside the Edo State primary and secondary education sector. Reports now dey ground say the chairman of Edo State Universal Basic Education Board wey be Ms. Onomen Goodness Briggs, she now dey express the Edo State concern during her inspection of the ongoing projects in some schools dem wey dey for inside Edo South Senatorial District. And during the inspection, my good people, Mrs. Briggs no waka alone o. She was very much accompanied by Mrs. Angela. And Mrs. Angela na member wey dey represent the Edo South Senatorial District on the Edo State Universal Basic Education Board. And however, my good people, she now, however, come dey call on parents and residents, like people wey dey stay for the community where the schools is located, where the schools plaster, so wey dem help calm down the level of vandalism of school facilities. So those kind of levels normal, e no make sense. And she constantly yarn dey give them, say already this government wey dey led by Senator Monday Okpebholo don already include fencing for the plans wey im get for all the schools under this administration. And she said those kind of plans na good thing because of all the schools wey dem visit, many of them dey lack essential infrastructure. Of all the schools wey dem visit, many pupils now dey lack furniture. Many of them dey sit down for ground dey learn. Some classrooms sef dey overcrowded. Dey house over 200 students of 4 arms in a single classroom. That is to say, both arm A, arm B, arm C, and arm D. That is to say, in many schools wey dem visit, their primary one now fit go get arm A, arm B, arm C, and arm D. Those arms now, all of them dey for inside one classroom, inside one hall. Normally, those kind of levels, e no make sense. That dey cause overcrowd. For any students now wey get some kind health challenges, dem fit dey faint anyhow. But she now come dey yarn dey give the residents of the community, say this government now under Monday Okpebholo, e wan do nice things for Edo State people. E wan do nice things for students dem. That's na why e now don dey construct and e don dey renovate structures in 100 schools across the state to mark his 100 days in office. But however, now she now dey complain. So even as the governor wan build all this level, even as the governor now wan arrange these nice things, give the Edo State children, you understand, the way they take dey vandalize some kind things, the way they take dey destroy school facilities for inside Edo State, e no make sense at all at all. So she now dey emphasize, she now dey suggest, say security suppose be the primary responsibility of the people wey dey stay for inside the community where the schools dey. People now wey dey for area where any school dey, when the governor now don do the school finish, when he don renovate, when he don make the school come standard, make e no be say countrymen go come dey observe or countrymen go come dey for area, jaguda people go come dey scatter the school. Those kind of levels, e no make sense. Make dem no put equipment finish, somebody now go come scatter am, and countrymen go dey around dey observe those kind of levels dey happen. That na why she dey call on the residents of the communities, make dem dey vigilant, make dem dey watchful, so that the efforts of Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo no go to waste. And not only that, if last now men still dey destroy the school facilities, na the students na go still suffer am. So that na why security na one major issue wey the gats look into. That's na why in the yarn they give the residents of the communities, make them stand guard, make them monitor this property. And not just residents of the community. Everybody need to put hand for this matter. All hands must be on deck. Both the teachers, both the students, them, the pupils, everybody now need to dey watchful. Everybody now need to mind their self. The governor now don dey play his own part. He don dey include fences. He don dey include fence as part of security arrangement. And in dey include security post so that men fit mount the quality dey happen for the premises. And no be like say he just dey talk am for mouth, say he wan do this one, he go do that one. No, the work don already start. No be Iga, I go. E don already start. Madam Briggs come dey let the community dey know, say as of currently, about 5 schools have already been renovated, while 100 are currently ongoing across the state. and no be like say when they do refurnishing or renovation, they go just include only the buildings, put zinc, mold block, all these kind of things. Now, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legitimate information, another reality latest wey I gats share give the general public. You know say the Edo State and the South African government, they don agree on the importance of exploring ways to revitalize and strengthening their bilateral relations with representatives from both government meeting for inside Edo State, Benin City, and dem dey meet to discuss po ten tial collaborations across various sectors. Dis men now wan come together, dem wan put heads together, dem wan brainstorm on how to move forward, on how to move the country people lifestyle, on how to make things good for the general public. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the South African ambassador to Nigeria wey be Professor Bobby J na lead his team to come meet with Dr. Amen Odighie. So during the meeting between these two governments dem, the South African ambassador to Nigeria wey be Professor Bobby J More come dey yarn about the importance of rekindling the long-standing relationship between this our green white green country wey be Nigeria and South Africa. And he say the Edo State Investment Promotion Office get better role to play in facilitating communications between the government and private sector. He now come dey suggest a more coordinated approach to leveraging opportunities between the two subnationals. And he sef come still ex ten d an invitation for Edo State to participate in the upcoming South Africa Week for inside the upcoming month of April for inside this year 2025. He now dey suggest a cultural performance by an Edo cultural group and opportunities to connect with South African businesses wey dey operate for inside we nation Nigeria. Then the managing director of the Edo State Investment Promotion Office wey be Dr. Amen Odighie, in his own response, he now come dey highlight the numerous possibilities for collaboration, especially given the position of this our nation Nigeria as the largest economy in Africa. He now come still dey yarn say as a state, they are very much interested in collaboration within the aforementioned sectors. He say mining na another sector wey dem believe very well say dem gat plenty to offer because Edo State get plenty untapped solid minerals. He say they get gold, he say they get lithium, he say they get bitumen, dem get granite, dem get limestone, dem get dolomite and so many other mineral resources. So they really want to tap into these opportunities. So this my good people na a possible partnership, na a possible collaboration between our nation Nigeria, especially Edo State and the South Africa. Make we hope say the thing now go bring better fruit, e go yield good fruit to Edo State people. Now if you ask me about this matter, my good people, I go tell you say last if the partnership or collaboration come happen, the thing go bring nice things come Edo State, e go benefit them. But e go good make e be say the person wey dey represent Edo State no lose guard, make e no be say the South Africa now come our country, come Edo State, come dey take things and things wey belong to Edo State, come dey give them peanuts, meanwhile go come carry gold go back. All those kind of levels, e no true make sense. But if dem do am well, if dem collaborate proper, things go fall in place and things go go well for Edo State people. Anyhow the informate be for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be reality latest gist. Our hobby na to dey give una reality news on politics and many other things wey dey sup for inside this our nation Nigeria. So if you like the update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp.